Good afternoon, dear viewers. This is News Information Program on Tajikistan TV channel. Today with you in the studio is Safar Ali Sharifov. The working visit of the founder of Peace and National Unity, leader of the nation, President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, to the cities and districts of Khatlon region continued today in Dangara district. First, with the participation of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Emomali Rahmon, a new building of the Secondary School 59 was opened in Dangara district. The creation of educational institution will increase the motivation of the younger generation to study the exact sciences within the framework of 20 years of study and development of natural exact sciences and mathematics in the field of science and education. The next report has more in details.
On June 16, the founder of Peace and National Unity, the leader of the nation, the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, visited Dangara district in the framework of his working visit to Khatlon region. The purpose of this visit of the President Emomali Rahmon is to launch the activities of a number of new facilities to get acquainted with the process of harvesting and restoring and to meet with activists. The head of the country, Emomali Rahmon, first inaugurated a new building of secondary school number 59 in Dangara district. The new building of the education institution consists of 2 parts and 4 floors, and total area is the land plot is about 2 hectares. In general, the new building of the education institution is designed for 1,240 students with 2 shifts. The new educational institution is a classroom for physics, chemistry, biology, and computer science, which are equipped with 25 computers, 24 pairs of desks, and chairs, and laboratory equipped for conducting experiments. The creation of conductions also increase the motivation of the younger generation in the framework of the 20 years of study and development of natural sciences, exact sciences, and mathematics in the field of science and education to master the exact sciences. As part of the years of rural development towards the full class, the lower classroom for gifts of the arrows and girls equipped with the addressing machines, copy, weaving, sewing machines, and lower classroom for boys are equipped with the carpentry, woodworking, and metalworking. The head of the country, Emomali Rahmon, considers the commissioning of a new building of education institutions in the framework of social policy of the government of the country, important for the development of education and instructing the younger generation to use such modern conditions for the study of modern sciences. To improve the intellectual abilities of students, the institution has chess classrooms and modern gym with 100 seats and dining room for 60 people and conference hall with 150 seats and library with 20 seats. The gym of the institution has table tennis, bodybuilding, craving, volleyball, and basketball games. The main problem is the previous building of the institution was the lack of seats of students for the lack of favorable conditions for the education of the younger generation. The old school has only 6 classes. The annual increase in number of students in the 11th rural areas of Korea in the Dangara district, and the growing demands for the study of modern sciences has gradually doubled the need to build such an educational institution. With this in the mind, 2018, the construction of a new building of secondary school number 59 began with the attraction of capital. The head of the state, Emomali Rahmon, highly evaluated the project of construction of the building and instructed teachers to make full use of opportunities, responsibility for education and upbringing on the teenagers. At the same time, a beautiful and modern sports ground has been put into operation near the building. The new building of the secondary school number 59 has been constructed with a modern architectural structure, and decorative flowers and shrubs have been planted on this yard. Also, in honor of the national shrines and the countryside of the institution was raised a flag at the height of 70.5 meters, and its surrounding was decorated with a modern architecture, giving preference to the use of construction materials from domestic producers of the had provided better quality of work. On the other hand, the support of the government of the Republic of Tajikistan to the private sector. The opening of a new building of secondary school number 59 in 11 rural Kures Mahala in Dangara district in the framework of preparation for the 30th anniversary of independence of the Republic of Tajikistan will continue the creative process in the country and will allow students to acquire modern knowledge.
Today, in all cities and regions of the country, especially in the Khatlon region, the expansion of landscaping works on the occasion of the 30th anniversary of the state independence is in full swing. Today, the founder of Peace and National Unity, leader of the nation, President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Emomali Rahmon, within the framework of improvement measures, put into operation a new building of the Dangara District Environmental Protection Department. During the familiarization, the President highly appreciated the quality of the work done and gave specific instructions to the authorities to carry out explanatory work among the population on the issues of cleanliness of the environment and protection of rare flora and fauna of Tajikistan. Some more details to the next report will be continued by our colleague Parvina Olimova.
On June 16, the Fund of Peace and National Unity, the leader of the nation, the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, is the framework of working with the cities and district of Khatlon region, commissioned a new building of the Department of Environmental Protection of Dangara District. The building of the Department of Environmental Protection was built with a modern design and national motive, and the was a gift of the head of the country, Emomali Rahmon, on the occasion of the glorious national holidays, the 30th anniversary of the state independence for employees and specialties of this institution. The head of the state, Emomali Rahmon, was informed that the administrative building consists of 5 floors, basement, 25 offices, conference hall with 68 seats, museum, laboratory, library, hotel, beautiful place for recreation and sports, as well as the ancillary facilities consist of construction work and facility began in October 2018 as a consumer of the Committee on Environment Protection under the government of the Republic of Tajikistan. 70 local workers and specialties took part in the construction works. As they put into operation in due to time the high architectural quality. According to the design, the modern building of the department has a laboratory, conference hall, a corner of the rare flora and fauna of the Tajikistan, library of reading, poetry, scientific, artistic, and sectoral works with the necessary conditions and according with the modern requirements. During the acquaintance, the head of the country praised the quality of work done as a gift, specific instructions of the official to conduct awareness-raising activities among the population for the cleanliness and the environment and protection of rare flora and the fauna of Tajikistan. Here, the honorable head of the country, Emomali Rahmon, has interacted to the incarnate to the words in the flora and the ecological potential of Tajikistan, wherein animals and beautiful birds and artificially created. The present corner has been established in the library of the department, which contains the lasting of the workers of the head of the country, Emomali Rahmon, newly published scientific and artistic books, which contains more than 2,000 copies, which has been effectively used by employees. A modern hotel and spacious has been independently. Events have been built on the 5th floor of the building of the Department of Environmental Protection of Dangara District for recreation of employees and has modern service conditions. The hotel rooms are spacious and beautifully designed with comfortable amenities, also including a bed, closet, refrigerator, TV, and modern furniture. The upper part of the building is a beautiful place for the rest on the recollections of the staff and guests. This place has created favorable conditions for the development of health, the lifestyle, and the environment of the employees in athletics, where they can engage in various party and sports in their free time. As part of landscaping work, the crown building has been covered with ceramics, colorful seasonal, also flowers, and more than 100 ornamental trees have been planted, which adds a special beauty to the exteriors of the building.
The founder of Peace and National Unity, the leader of the nation, President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, opened an educational institution, medical and social college in the village of Khores Dangara district and got acquainted with the working conditions and services of this institution. The educational institution, medical and social college of the Dangara district was created by the domestic entrepreneur Farooq Samizoda. The next report has more in details.
On June 16, the Fund of Peace and National Unity, the leader of the nation, the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, inaugurated the educational institution, medical and social college in Khores village of Dangara district and got acquainted with the working with the worthy service condition of these facilities. Educational institution, medical social college of Dangara district was built by domestic entrepreneur Farooq Samizoda in the light of direct instructions of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Emomali Rahmon, in the framework of celebration of 30th anniversary of the independence and has favorable educational conditions. The total area of the institutions of the 100 hectares and the building consists of 6 floors, basement, 25 special classrooms, study rooms, library, computer classroom, and other ancillary facilities. All classrooms and offices are required with the necessary equipment and the tables and chairs. During the acquaintance with the modern conditions of a new education institution and sincere conversation with teachers, the head of the country, Emomali Rahmon, emphasized that in the conditions scientific and technical progress, it's important to improve good educational conditions as a basis of to train professionals in healthcare. The government of the Republic of Tajikistan will gradually implement the necessary measures. The institution has the capacity to enroll 720 students in the one shifts, where students are trained in 4 specialties, including nursery, pharmacy, obstetrics, and the dentistry. According to the project, in the basement of the Medical and Social College of Dangara district are provided offices, heads of the department, and other staff on the favorable working conditions. Of the first floor and second floor of the building, there are spacious classrooms for dentistry, anatomy, nursing, pharmacy, computer classroom, chemistry, library, and the other floors in the all classroom with the modern scientific opportunities for students to study in the good conditions. In the dentist's office, there are modern devices through which scientific and theoretical experiments are carried out. The offices and classrooms of the institution will be connected to the heating system, and the building will be fully heating in the winter. Here, the head of the country, Emomali Rahmon, lays the foundation stone for the construction of a new dormitory building for 320 students. According to the design, the dormitory building will build 9 floors, also provided with the necessary equipment, including spacious rooms, bed, closet, and other important devices and equipment. It should be noted that entrepreneurs and patriotic people in Bangladesh, following the construction initiative as the whole country, Emomali Rahmon, are expanding beautification activities in villages and the district center to celebrate the 30th anniversary of the state independence of the significance of the achievements and splendor. The head of the state, Emomali Rahmon, praised the initiative and domestic entrepreneur Farooq Tamisuda to contribute to the beautification measures. The area around the building is decorated with the shady trees and colorful season, all the evergreen flowers and the night view on the building with the installation of flatting fixtures on the answer are beautiful in the image of the district.
The rapid industrialization of the country has been declared the 4th strategic goal, and the government of the Republic of Tajikistan is taking the necessary measures in this direction. Today, the founder of Peace and National Unity, leader of the nation, President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, opened the workshop for the production of pasta and processing of fruits and vegetables of the Special Property Agency under the government of the Republic of Tajikistan in the village of Gargara Dangara district. Further details are in the following report. On 16th of June, the founder of Peace and National Unity, leader of the nation, President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Emomali Rahmon, opened a workshop for the production of pasta and the processing of fruits and vegetables of the Special Property Agency under the government of the Republic of Tajikistan in the village of Gargara Dangara district. The new facility employs 20 domestic specialists. The plant produces non-alcoholic drinks, juices, jams, more than 14 types of products from apricots, peaches, cherries, apples, dates, tomatoes, and etc. Technological lines also make it possible to produce various juices at any time of the year due to the stocks of concentrates of domestic fruits and the import of concentrates of tropical fruits such as oranges, tangerines, mangoes, and other citrus fruits. Machinery and equipment are imported from the Republic of Ukraine. To store the company's products, warehouses have been built which will satisfy the demand of residents and ensure high-quality products at any time of the year. The production facilities and infrastructure are built in accordance with modern requirements and have a favorable working environment. Also on this day, an exhibition of products of workshop and production enterprises of the Agency for Special Property under the government of the Republic of Tajikistan was organized. The exhibition featured 14 types of pasta, flour, canned food, juices, jams, dairy products, wheat, beans, potatoes, corn, chicken, eggs, and military uniforms for soldiers. The creation and operation of workshops and production enterprises under the agency will save more than 20% of the budget annually, along with the expanding access to food, providing soldiers of the armed forces with environmentally friendly domestic products. It should be noted that currently the Agency for Special Property under the government of the Republic of Tajikistan has 12 subsidiaries and farms whose activities include the agricultural and industrial sectors. During the opening of production and familiarization with the products, the head of state instructed officials to pay more attention to the quality of processed products, use existing opportunities, and ensure the further development of the government of the Republic of Tajikistan. Also, on this day, the founder of peace and national unity, leader of the nation, president of the Republic of Tajikistan, Emomali Rahmon, in the village of Gargara Dangara district, put into operation the oil production enterprise of the limited liability company Faizi Ali. The facility was built by the local entrepreneur Faiz Ali Zoda Saifuddin as part of the fourth strategic goal of the government, the rapid industrialization of the country. The design capacity of the production enterprise is the new processing of 25 tons of raw materials per day and the preparation of 3 out of 10 tons of oil. After the commissioning of the oil company Faizi Ali Limited Liability Company, 25 local residents were provided with permanent jobs. The oil production line consists of steam boilers, a refinery, plastic crate preparation and packaging, and the vegetable oil is housed in 1, 2, 3, and 5-liter plastic containers. The enterprise was created to meet the needs of the population with its own and high-quality products that produce linseed, rapeseed, sunflower, blackcurrant, and cottonseed oil. At the opening of the facility and familiarization with the new project of the production workshop, Head of State Emomali Rahmon highly appreciated the creative initiative of the domestic entrepreneur and emphasized that the creation of such production enterprises, along with providing the consumer market, creating new jobs, will simultaneously lay the foundation for the processing of domestic products, thus by raising the level of national economy. So, dear viewers, these were all the news for today. Thanks for watching us and stay with Tajikistan Television.